A break-even analysis is an important step when making any business investment. In this video, we will explain what a break-even analysis is and show how to carry it out. When an entrepreneur starts a project, a first step is to identify all the costs involved in the business. Costs can be classified into variable and fixed. Variable costs increase whenever the company sells more units and include items such as raw materials, delivery costs, and sales commissions. Fixed costs remain the same regardless of the number of units sold. These can include, for example, salaries, rent, and electricity. Having information on variable and fixed costs enables you to calculate the break-even quantity for the business. The break-even quantity represents the number of units that need to be sold in order for sales revenue to equal total costs. When selling more than the break-even quantity, the business makes a profit. Let's show you how to do the calculation. Bob's Pizza is an Italian restaurant in Manhattan. Since the restaurant is doing well, Bob is considering to open a new branch in downtown Los Angeles, and he wants to know how many customers a day are needed to break even. The average customer spends $25 for a meal at this restaurant. His variable costs are $10 per meal, and his fixed costs are $1,500 per day. From this information, you can see that for every meal that Bob sells, the revenue is $15 higher than the variable cost. This $15 is called the contribution margin. To calculate Bob's break-even point, we simply divide the fixed costs by the contribution margin. In this case, if we divide the $1,500 in fixed costs by the $15 in contribution margin, we get 100. This is the number of meals Bob needs to sell in a day in order to break even. We could do the same calculation for a week, month, or year by using the fixed cost for the period under consideration. Now that you know how to do a break-even analysis, you can use it for all your business investment projects. Check out our other videos for more insights. Brought to you by SimInstitute.